Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce, my name is Fitria Nur Hidayah, NPM 2011-05-0319. Okay, on this occasion, I will tell you about degradation of moral education. Degradation of moral education. What is the moral degradation? Moral degradation is the decline in moral and ethical attitude of students toward teacher, friends, and parents at home. This moral crisis has been experienced by Indonesia in the last few years. Moral degradation greatly affects the education system in Indonesia because students tend to be lazy about studying, as well as the many deviations they do in their self-development is not well developed. Moral is one of the causes of the decline in the education index in Indonesia. There are several solutions to eradicate this moral degradation. The decline in the education index in Indonesia is partly due to the large number of cases of students and parents reporting the teacher concerned to the police for reprimanding the teacher, students, and finally these students do not accept the complaint and their parents. Then the parents participate in supporting their child's actions. Those guilty for the giant media always pay attention to this so that it could be the cause of the decline in education index in Indonesia. The causes of moral degradation are firstly, the lack of the role of parents in supervising their children, the busyness of parents in the world of work, making them indifferent to their children. They only provide their material needs but do not give the attention that their children very much needed. The second, promiscuity by students in Indonesia. This promiscuity lack of knowledge of the students about the dangers of sex and high curiosity, so they try things they have never known. The third, bad environment. The surrounding environment usually affects the moral of students. A good environment will have a negative impact on the contrary, namely the school and home environment. The fourth is lack of knowledge of morals, lack of knowledge of the procedure for respecting older people and respecting younger ones. The impact of moral degradation tends to be negative behavior such as drugs, in which children in this case are more satisfying their desire to forget about problem for a moment that can calm them down with drugs and drunkenness. Lazy in studying, children who have an attitude of moral degradation tend do not to care about learning in school. They are even lazy to go to school because they are more about the world that makes them happy and happy. They have feeling of indifference to the environment. They also don't care their own families. The solution to reducing the moral degradation of Indonesia education is, firstly, from formal school education, where education prioritizes good attitude, moral, and teacher who give example of how to behave properly and correctly. Then government agencies that must implement educational patterns that prioritize attitude. The second is the family. The role of the family, especially parents, who have to provide extra lesson in order to build a good attitude, moral to their children from an early age. The third is the environment in which they live. They must be more selective in blending into a good environment so that children's moral can be well formed. The fourth is law enforcement and sanction. This must be carried out in order to have a deterrent effect on children who cannot be regulated anymore in order to recover from moral degradation. Moral degradation is the decline in moral and ethical attitude of students toward teachers and friends. Meanwhile, the Indonesian Education Index has decreased due to the moral degradation in school, which is growing so that it becomes a measure to assess education in Indonesia. The causes of this degradation of education are lack of attention from parents, promiscuity, bad environment, lack of knowledge about morals. Then for the impact of this degradation of education, namely drunkenness and drugs, laziness and studying, indifferent to family and the environment around them. For solution to reduce educational degradation, namely from moral school education, the role of the family, a good environment, law, and sanction. Okay, that's all I can say. More or less apologize to Allah. I beg your forgiveness. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.